we make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep the passion. Respect, oh yeah. Here's to the ones that can imagine. Respect, oh yeah.
Abraham Joseph, Honorable Father Sri Biju Rajan, Honorable Sri Ranjit Raja Bhosle, Honorable Sri Pawar sir, other dignitaries on dais, respected parents, teachers and students. First of all, I would like to thank the management for inviting me for such a program. It has been an honor for me to be here as a chief guest. I won't stretch my speech too long because the children are eagerly waiting and parents are waiting for the performance of their children. लहानपण देवा मुंगी साखर हे चरावा असं म्हणतात. म्हणजे लहानपणी जो आनंद असतो तो आयुष्यात नंतर कधी मिळत नाही. व्यासपीठ माझी सहमत असेल. Further, as he had mentioned, the whole ecosystem had changed today. So many transformation are being done in this field, and it has been changed drastically. For the parents who are present here, I would just like to put a few words. While we are making the children competent in this competitive world, but still there is not much scope to inculcate the values and the ethics in the students, so that they will be a good citizens with a national character, as earlier Honorable Bishop have mentioned this. तर आपल्या मुलांना यासोबतच शिक्षणासोबतच आपण एक संस्कार, नीतिमूल्य आणि त्यांना एक चांगला नागरिक बनवण्यासाठी संस्था प्रयत्न करते. पुनश्च एकदा सर्वांचे मी आभार मानतो आणि आपल्यामध्ये जास्त व्यत्यय न करता आपल्या मुलांचे परफॉर्मन्स पाहण्यासाठी आपण सर्व उत्सुक आहात. बाळगोपर्यंत देखील आम्हाला आवाज मगापासून ऐकू येत आहे. तर पुनश्च एकदा मी सर्वांना शुभेच्छा देतो आणि पुढील कार्यक्रम सुरू करायची विनंती करतो. धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू सर.
Join us at St. Mary's School, Dhule.